Hey guys, Eric here from Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. On today's episode of Range Talk, we're going to be discussing options for reloading your carry revolver. Stay with us. Folks, there's several different options for carrying your backup ammunition for a carry revolver. The first and most obvious is to carry rounds individually. While this does work, it's anything but efficient as far as reloading your revolver. I've got three other mechanisms here, if you will, that aid themselves very well to fast, efficient reloads. The first one I want to talk about is this speed strip. What this does is carry individual rounds in this strip. And if I want to go and load my cylinder, I simply put a round of ammunition in and break it away as I go. The one thing I like about this is this rides flat in my pocket, so it doesn't print. Very good way to carry 6 extra rounds. And you can top off your revolver with this one, whereas the other options you cannot. You have to, it's either an all or none kind of an affair. But with this one, if I just need to replace 2 rounds that I fired, I can do it very efficiently with this system here. The second one I want to talk about is the old school speed loader. I kind of grew up on these things. This is an HK speed loader. They've been around for a lot of years. So with this system here, let me get rid of these first 2 rounds. With this system, what I do is I place all 5 rounds in the Smith & Wesson J-frame revolver. Simply turn the dial on the back, give it a little wiggle, and all 5 rounds drop in. What I'm left with is an empty speed loader, which I quickly discard on the ground. At that point, I get it out of the way. It's no longer useful to me. With the speed loader and the ammunition carried in it, it's a pretty significant piece of gear in your pocket, if you will. So with this, while I do like it, it's not my preferred method. It does tend to print. It's fairly uncomfortable in a pants pocket. This is called a moon clip. Guys, this is the latest and greatest. Tom Kielhofer over at TK Customs, the guy that manufactures these. Tom's outfit does a great job. If you ever need any of this kind of work done, please give Tom a call. Tell Eli I sent you. But with this particular mechanism, the cylinder on this J-frame Smith has been milled out to accept moon clips. There's a very thin piece of steel here that holds the ammunition in, and the entire assembly goes into the cylinder. So I line them up, I drop them in, and then simply close the cylinder. I've done a fast, efficient reload on this revolver. The downside to these is, once again, they print. It's like carrying a rock in your pocket, the very same way it is when I'm carrying a speed loader. Usually if I'm carrying this revolver, which I do from time to time, it is a good choice for a concealed carry gun. I'll usually carry a combination of 2, a speed strip and a spare moon clip. Between this, I'm carrying 15 rounds of ammunition for this gun in a very fast, efficient manner as far as reloading goes. Give it a try. Let us know what you think about every one of these items. If you have ideas for future videos, please let us know. Don't forget to hit like and share. Thanks.